morning, Mandatories. Today, we the people are here to present or say a few words about World Heart Day.
World Heart Day is observed actually on 29 September. According to WHO, cardiovascular diseases kills the 17.9 millions of people, around 31% of death every year. World Heart Day spread awareness about the prevention of heart disease among the people. This idea was discovered by Anthony Barely, young president of WHO from 1997 to 1999. The World Heart Day was first celebrated on 29 September 2000.
Heart is a vital organ. It is a muscle that pumps blood to all parts of our body. The blood pumped by our heart provides our body with oxygen and nutrients it needs to function. Our heart is about the size of a clenched fist and weighs between 300 and 450 grams. The heart had four main functions: pumping oxygenated blood to the other part of body, pumping hormones and other vital substances to different parts of the body, receiving deoxygenated blood and carrying metabolic waste products from the body and pumping it to the lungs for oxygenation. The heart is a pump usually beating about 60 to 100 times per minute. With each heartbeat, the heart sends blood throughout our bodies, carrying oxygen to every cell. After delivering the oxygen, the blood returns to the heart. The heart then sends the blood to the lungs to pick up more oxygenated blood.
Few words about the structure of heart. Heart is the main organ of the circulatory system. 3 layers of tissue form the heart wall. The outer layer is called pericardium, the middle layer is called myocardium, and the inner layer is called endocardium. The internal cavity was divided into 4 chambers. They are right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, and left ventricle. Vena cava are the blood vessels which carry blood to the heart. They are mainly in 2 types: inferior vena cava and superior vena cava. There are 4 valves in our heart. Do you know? Tricuspid valve, bicuspid valve, pulmonary valve, and aortic valve.
I'm Sahashibha. Do you know the importance of heart in our body? The 4 functions of heart are pumping oxygenated blood to the other body parts, pumping hormones and the other vital substances, different parts of the body, receiving deoxygenated blood and carrying metabolic waste products from the body and pumping it to the lungs for oxygenation. Till now we said about the role of heart in our body.
Hi, I am Shifna PK. I am here to talk about what is heartbeat and its peculiarities. Heartbeat constituted one systole and subsequent diastole together. Its take about 0.8 seconds. The contraction of heart chambers is termed as systole and the relaxation of heart chambers is diastole. During systole, blood flows from the atria to the ventricles and from the ventricles to the outside. During diastole, the chambers of heart get filled with the blood.
Do you know why we celebrate today as the World Heart Day? This day informs people around the world that CVD, including heart diseases and stroke, is the world's leading cause of death, claiming millions of life each year, and highlight action people can take to prevent that, control CVD. So basically this day is way too important.
Is a class of disease that affects the heart and blood vessel, many of which are related to a process is called atherosclerosis. There are different types of heart disease: congenital heart disease, heart failure disease, heart valve disease, cardiomyopathy, pericardial disease, coronary artery disease. These are the different types of heart disease.
In this generation, there are so many heart-related diseases, otherwise known as cardiovascular diseases, coronary heart diseases, cardiac arrest, heart failure, arrhythmia, stroke, congenital heart disease are some among them. It will cause damage or disease in the heart's major blood vessels.
Let us take a look at some of the causes of heart diseases. The disease of heart mainly depends on a person's heart conditions, his or her physical health, or daily habits like smoking cigars and drinking alcohol. Here I am going to talk about 5 major causes of heart diseases. The first one is cholesterol. It has cholesterol, both bad and good cholesterol. If bad cholesterol increases, it blocks arteries leading to a heart attack. The second cause is high blood pressure or hypertension. It blocks the proper blood flow leading to a heart failure. The third cause is diabetes. When you are eating unhealthy or you are overweight, you have every chance of getting diabetes and heart diseases. The fourth cause is arrhythmia. It means your heart is not beating in a proper rhythm. It can be too fast or too slow, affecting your heart. The fifth and the last cause is congestive heart failure. It happens when your heart is not pumping blood properly or failing to get oxygen. Friends, nowadays we hear many youngsters dying due to heart attacks. This is due to unhealthy lifestyles, lack of exercise, or not knowing their heart conditions. It is very important we switch to a healthy routine, go for proper checkups, and take treatments when required to keep our heart healthy and beating. Thank you.
Nowadays, there are many causes leading us to heart diseases. One of the most important risk factors about heart diseases is high blood pressure. It can damage your blood vessels. Smoking and other use of tobaccos can damage and narrow your blood vessels. Cholesterol also causes heart diseases.
Some remedies that should be taken for preventing heart diseases. Control your blood pressure. Keep your cholesterol level under control. Stay at a healthy weight. Eat a healthy diet. Get exercise regularly. Avoid smoking and drinking alcohol. Limit and manage your stress. Manage diabetes. Make sure that you should get enough sleep.
Now we have a poster done by Arza Andrew. Here is the structure of our heart.
Today, I'm going to read some news reports on the basis of heart and heart diseases. Barney Clark, a retired dentist not long age, he told a friend if he can do something for mankind, he will. Today, he made medical history as the first human to receive a permanent artificial heart. Report from 2013. 10% rise in women with the heart diseases.
As you all know, heart is a very important organ in our human body. A healthy heart is a key to healthy life. So wishing you all a very happy heart day.